Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will talk about HTML paragraphs. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. What we will learn in this video. First thing is what is a paragraph tag. So let's try about paragraph tag. So in general, whenever you are writing some set of content on your HTML, you can use paragraph if it is not related to some set of HTML. By default, a paragraph will add some set of styles for that particular element. For example, my paragraph is defined by p tag, which is open and closing tag. This is my para. So what it does is whenever you are writing a paragraph, it adds some set of margin to this. We will discuss more about these margins whenever we are talking about styles, but margin is a space for that particular paragraph. And whenever you are writing a new paragraphs, for example, I wrote one more paragraph like para 2. Whenever you are writing like this, the paragraphs will be divided into lines or moves into the new line. Let me go here and go to index.html, reload. If you see, you have a para and you have a para 2. If you inspect this, you have some set of spacing. The orange one, whatever we are seeing here, that is nothing but your spacing. So it is adding a space on the top and the bottom. So if you go to the paragraph 2, it also has the top one and bottom one. So that's about your paragraph. Whenever you are writing a paragraph, it will divide that paragraph into a new line. So if you want to break a paragraph immediately, that means if I want to write paragraph is something important and I want to make this as a separate statement, that means paragraph for testing. So now what I want to do is I have a paragraph, but this paragraph I want to make this statement in the first line and this statement in the second line. In that case, what we have to do is one solution is making this as a two paragraphs. Let me make and show you that. Save this, reload. But I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to maintain that in a single line, but it has to be shown in the two lines. Let me go here and reload. It is showing in one line. So if you want to show in the two lines, okay, so let me go here and let me add a tag called as br tag. So br tag is an empty tag because it doesn't have any closing tag. Whenever I give this br tag, it moves this remaining content into the next line. Let me go here and reload. You can see I moved into the next line. It didn't added any spaces for this para for testing. If you inspect this, you have only one paragraph and you don't have any of the spaces for this. So that's how we can use our br tag. And whenever you are giving some spaces, for example, I gave a paragraph where I'm typing something space something space and hit enter and wrote something like para 1 2 3 4 5 6. So save this. Now what I gave some set of spaces here and I clicked on enter button. So how this paragraph will be visible? It will not visible as it is. Instead it will remove all the spaces which are unwanted and also it will remove the enter click. Let me go here, reload, and you can see it came in one single line without enter also. This can be avoided by using your pre-tag that we will discuss. So what we learned till now, we learned about paragraph, what is a paragraph, and second thing is how to break a paragraph and what is the default behavior of the paragraph, and we also learned about extra spaces and extra new lines. So that will be avoided by using paragraph. Then so you may be getting a question like how to do that. Whenever I want to preserve my spaces, preserve my enter buttons, how can I do that? You can do by using a pre-tag. So we'll discuss about pre-tag in the upcoming video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.